I live for the scent sobra. Ang sarap niyang dilaan.
Sometimes when you're here, I can't feel no.
Hello mga passionate loves, my name is Amy of Amy's Passion Diary and welcome upon YouTube channel. So for today's video, I am going to do a swatches makeup tutorial as well as review on the new I Heart Revolution Violet palette. I love purple, anything that has a hint of lavender, purple, violet. I am all about that. That's definitely my favorite color. That's why when I saw this one, I was like, I need to have you in my makeup collection. So I have seen quite a few reviews on YouTube and as well as makeup looks on Instagram about this palette. So before we jump into swatches, I'm going to show you how it looks like if you're going to buy this palette. So it looks like this. This one is called the I Heart Revolution Violet Chocolate Palette. And the packaging is super cute. The box itself is super adorable. It's this very cute lavender color. There are all the shades that's inside the palette. And then nakalagay din dito yung ingredients ng eyeshadows, which is really handy if you are like if you want to know what the ingredients are, or if you are allergic to certain ingredients, then you can definitely check the ingredients at the back of the palette. So I bought this palette sa website called Revolution Beauty. I have my receipt here. This palette retails for $10.99 in euro, 10 euro 99 cents, so that's not bad. And I Heart Revolution is a British company, and I believe that I Heart Revolution and Makeup Revolution are just one company. I remember before it wasn't called I Heart Revolution, it was I Heart Makeup, and they changed it now to I Heart Revolution. A very important thing that you need to know that Makeup Revolution creates their makeup products, this makeup palette, which is actually cruelty free and vegan, so there's no animals harmed during the process of making this palette. And this is the actual palette, you guys. Look how pretty it is. I have a couple of chocolate palette from I Heart Revolution and haven't tried the other palettes na meron ako, and I'm excited na gawan sila ng review and as well as makeup tutorials and swatches. So, and here it says, I Heart Revolution Violet. Certain information that you need to know about this palette and ingredients, again, is repeated at the back of this palette. Not just the back, so even if you throw away the box, you still have the ingredients written at the back of the palette. This is made up of plastic, definitely, but hindi siya lightweight. It has definitely some weight on it, so it doesn't feel so cheap, even though this is a drugstore brand. So I really appreciate that they put some weight on their palette. It makes it feel like kind of luxurious. Okay, so i-open na natin ang palette so you guys all can see how beautiful the colors are. It comes with a huge mirror. I'm gonna cover it right now. Wait a second. It comes with a huge mirror, so you all can see. I try to cover it para hindi kayo mabulag sa video na ito. And it comes with a plastic film cover. And then, here's the actual palette and yung 18 shade. I really like it because this time they have the names of the colors engraved on the eyeshadows underneath. So that's handy if you're doing like makeup tutorial. You don't actually need to like show the colors one by one. You can just refer to the names of the eyeshadows and everyone will know exactly kung ano yung color na ginagamit nyo. So I really like that. And this palette also contains 3 different textures, and that's matte, shimmer, and satin. Yes, I did my research last night. And As you all can see, since that this is called a Violet chocolate palette, you're definitely going to expect like all range of purple colors, violet, lavender. I kind of feel like this is more like lavender, but these are all like with a hint of purple. And also you can expect like some burgundy colors on this palette, and as well some neutral earthy tone like browns. And you have, yeah, a good, really good selection of color. This palette contains 18 pigmented eyeshadows, and I think that I could agree with that. But we will still gonna see because I haven't tried it myself. So we're going to jump into the makeup tutorial. But before that, you're going to see some swatches before the actual makeup tutorial. Kung anong makeup look ang gagawin ko. All I know is that I wanted to play with a bunch of purple in this palette kasi, yeah, this is what this palette all about. Let's jump into the tutorial. So to save some time, I already did yung foundation routine ko, yung face routine ko. I already did my eyebrows too off the camera just to save some time so that we can just focus on this palette and the eye makeup tutorial itself. So, ayun lang, I already primed my lid as well using the Soft Ochre Paint Pot by MAC. Okay, so mag-start tayo sa color na ito called Prevail. This one, isiset ko lang yung primer. Grabe, it's so sunny today. It makes me so happy na mag-film na makeup tutorial kasi I don't need my artificial lighting to do this makeup tutorial. I just all need to do is just to sit down in front of my big window, and that's good enough to do this tutorial. So, ang next color na gagamitin ko is the shade called Conjure. Alright, so i-deepen up natin yung crease ng konti. So, ang gagamitin ko color is yung wine na shade. This color right here. Alright, so sa outer corner natin, since that I cannot leave this makeup look without using any purple eyeshadows, gagamitin ko is yung color or yung shade called Desired, which is this matte deep purple color right here. Okay, so ang next color na gagamitin natin ay yung shade called Violate. Ang ganda ng name. This color right here. Gusto ko siya ilagay sa middle part ng aking lid. I'm not gonna use my finger to apply this color kasi normally, yung mga shimmery or metallic shades na eyeshadow, it works better if you apply it using your finger, much pigmented. Okay mga beshi, so I leave yung inner portion ng lid ko, ng upper lid ko na open kasi I'm going to apply another shimmery eyeshadow, which is kind of this lavender color called Amethyst. This color right here. Okay mga beshi, so I just put on my lenses para mas maganda. But mag-move na tayo sa lower lash line. And I wanted to use talaga as much as eyeshadow as I can from this palette kasi sayang naman if we're not going to like use a lot of colors from this palette. So I decided na sa lower lash line, let's use the shade Idolize. This one right here. The next shade na gagamitin natin sa lower lash line, the shade called Curfew. It looks like very shimmery, kind of blue tone purple. Okidoki. So, tapos na tayo sa ating eyeshadow portion. So, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to apply some false lashes. I have it ready here on my table. But before that, syempre mag-curl muna tayo ng lashes. And also, magta-tight line ako. And instead of using black eyeliner, I'm gonna use like this blue or indigo eyeliner from Jordana. This is in the shade Blue Devine. Unfortunately, wala akong purple na eyeliner, so I think that this one will work because... But I'm going to apply some mascara on my lower lashes. Tapos, mag-apply na rin ako ng poses. And then, I'm going to do my hair. And I will be right back with a final look. So, hello mga loves! So, I am back with a finished makeup look. And ito ang kinalabasan. So, ayan siya. So, dapat mag-ano ako, mag-straight ako ng hair. Kaya lang, sobrang init. Hindi ko kinaya. So, I was like, I'm gonna put my hair in a ponytail and put a headband and that's it. Call it a day. Okay na ako sa ganitong hairstyle. Sobrang init, hindi ko talaga kaya. Kaya sabi ko, eto na yan. Okay, so let me give you my final thoughts on this I Heart Revolution Violet Chocolate Palette. And sobrang ganda niya. The eyeshadows are sobrang pigmented. I don't have any issues on the eyeshadows. Of course, there's gonna be fallout. And it smells so delicious, by the way. It smells like a very light scented chocolate. And I live for the scent, sobra. Ang sarap niyang dilaan. So I definitely highly recommend that you guys check the I Heart Revolution Violet Chocolate Palette kasi sobrang worth it siya. It's $10.99 dito sa Holland. It's sa Netherlands and you can purchase it to the website that I told you earlier. So I'm going to link everything in the description box if you are interested to purchase this one. And yeah, I hope na available siya sa Pinas, but I think na meron naman I Heart Revolution sa Pinas. So I think I covered up all the information that you need to know about this palette. So yeah, I hope that you all enjoyed this product first impression video slash swatches makeup tutorial. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like this video and leave a comment down below what do you think of this makeup look and about this palette as well. And salamat ng marami sa mga nag-subscribe sa channel ko. We've reached more than 360 subscribers. Thank you so much for all the support. Before I completely forget to mention, lahat ng products na ginamit ko sa makeup look na ito ay nasa description box. So don't forget to check them out. So just in case that I didn't mention certain products that I used on this entire makeup look. So I want to wish you all a lovely day or lovely evening, whichever part of the world you are. And always remember, be confident and stay grounded. Bye everyone!